crispy, cheesy, and loaded with chicken. This quesadilla is seriously hard to resist.
Start with one fresh chicken breast and cut it into small bite-sized pieces.
Cook that same chicken with simple seasoning until it's juicy, tender, and fully cooked. Now mix those same tender chicken cubes with diced bell pepper and onion for a flavorful filling. Add those juicy chicken cubes with plenty of cheese. Then fold the tortilla over the filling. Cook both sides until golden and crispy, with the cheese melting around those flavorful chicken cubes. Slice it, reveal that cheesy chicken filling, and serve it with your favorite salsa. Save this recipe and follow for more.